Although, though, even though. Let's start with this. I will write a phrase here. I like milk. I like milk, but I don't like coffee. Okay, very simple phrase. I'm sure you understand. Although and though, they're going to substitute but. Basically, it's the same idea. The difference is when you use although, you use it in the beginning. So this you use in the beginning. So I would do like this. Although, and then the same thing. Remove the but, and it's the same thing. Although I like milk, comma, I don't like coffee. So see, the only difference is this is in the middle, but is in the middle, and although is in the beginning. And though, you can also substitute, you can use though here. You can say, though I like milk, I don't like coffee. But you can also use this in the beginning, in the middle, in the end. You can use it anywhere. For example, you can say, I like milk, but I don't like coffee though. I like milk, though I don't like coffee. So you can use it anywhere. Now,
Or though I like milk, I don't like coffee.
or though I like milk, I don't like coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's go to the next one, even though. I want you to imagine this. I want you to imagine a situation where you have a barrier. So you have a barrier, something that is not allowing you or it makes it difficult for you to do something, and, comma, you have a positive result. My example here is the barrier is I didn't have uh, the necessary skills, or I didn't have the skills. So I didn't have skills. And the positive result is I got the job. What I do is I use even though in the beginning here to create this structure. Even though, oops, even though I didn't have the skills, I got the job. Okay, so even though, separate here, even though barrier, positive skill. I'm sorry, even though barrier, positive result. So even though I didn't have skills, I got the job. Barrier and a positive result anyway. Let me draw a line here. You have to draw a line somewhere, right? In spite of or despite. Let's use the same analogy with the barrier here, because I think it helps you to understand. So I will write barrier and positive result as well. Positive result. Let's say, for example, my reputation. Just for the example here. My reputation. That's the barrier. And the positive result is I was approved. Okay? What I will do here is In this construction, what I would do is this barrier was ignored. This barrier was you overcome the barrier. Okay? Then you say despite or in spite of. Basically, it's the same thing. So, despite my reputation, I was approved. So, I overcame this barrier. In spite of my reputation, I was approved. Same thing, I overcame this barrier. That's it.